We'll guide you through how to replace double-click to install on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you wish to go and replace the double-click to install button, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. For whatever reason you don't like having to go and double-click it, perhaps it's not working or there's some type of other reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. To get started, I'll just go and show you my current situation. So we can come into the App Store like so. Now let's come and find an app that I haven't currently got. For example, we've got Video Leap here. I'll go and press get. You're going to go and find here that I need to go and double click to install, which I don't want to do or I can't do. So we're going to guide you through how you can replace this with another way of doing it. So you can still go and get apps, as otherwise, if for whatever reason you can't use it or you don't want to, you can't go and get apps. So to go about this, what we can do is come out of the App Store. We can't actually go and change it in here, not even in the settings here. So you can come and close this and you want to come out of it. Now, what we need to do is go and find the settings on our iPhone. So by default, this is going to be on the main page here. You can always drag down and go and type in settings if needed and open them up. Now what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down and we're looking for the option for, not for App Store, you're looking for the option for Face ID and passcode. So you should be able to go and find it. You can always go and press search and go and type it in. If you'll find that it's completely missing, it's due to a restriction set on your iPhone, which is not allowing changes to Face ID and passcode. So you'd go and turn that off in the restrictions in screen time. Then what you can do is go and press on Face ID and passcode, enter in your passcode like so. And now where it says use Face ID for, you need to go and find iTunes and App Store. So what we can do here is with this turned on, we have to go and double tap the side button and do Face ID. But if we go and turn it off, instead of going and entering in our Face ID and pressing the side button, we can go and enter in our password. We can go and turn that off like so. And now what you can do is come out of here. And next you can actually come to the top and go and tap on your name. Then you can go down in here and find media and purchases and tap there and you can press password settings. And what you can do is even go and turn off require password for free downloads. You can go and have that on, but it means you have to go and enter in the password for when you go and get free apps. But you can still go and just enter it otherwise, it's up to you. But now we can come to the App Store, I'll go and find an app like Video Leap and I'll press get. You can see the double click is not appearing and we replaced it with the install button. So I'll press install and we can now get it without double clicking. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again. Have a great day, goodbye for now. Check out the channel for more useful guides.